What if I told you, people around you are silently earning money every single day using just a laptop and 3 AI tools? And the crazy part, they're not tech experts, not influencers, just regular people, students, mums, freelancers, who figured out the secret early. But here's the catch. 99% of people don't know about these tools, or they simply ignore them. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI websites that smart people are using right now to earn daily income in 2025, and how you can start today. So stay till the end, because the last one is a literal goldmine. Let's be honest, the game has changed. We're no longer in the upload your CV and pray era. We're living in a time where AI can automate, create, sell, and even negotiate for you. The world is shifting from hard work to smart systems, and those who learn how to leverage AI early win. You don't need to code or be a tech wizard. All you need is internet curiosity. And this video, whether you're a student, jobless, a 9-to-5 warrior, or just someone who wants to build passive income. So, here are 3 AI tools that only smart people are using, and they're remaking daily income while others are still broke. It adds captions, zooms, highlights emotional keywords, and even scores how viral each clip might be. You just copy a YouTube link, paste it into Opus, and boom, 10 or 15 high-quality shorts. These reels grow their page, and once they hit the threshold, boom, they monetize. You don't need to be on camera. The content already exists. The AI does the editing. All you do is publish. Let's start with the first one, a tool called Opus Clip. You may have seen short videos exploding on Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, but editing them is time-consuming, right? It'll give you a full article structured, keyword-rich with a table of contents, FAS, even Amazon product links if you add them. This one is for people who can write a little, or even just prompt smartly. It's called Koala Writer. Not anymore. It's built on GPT tech, but it's laser-focused on one thing: creating long-form SEO-optimized blog posts. Let's say a YouTuber uploads 1 video a week. You take that, run it through Opus, and deliver 10 reels they can post across platforms. Think Amazon, ClickBank, travel insurance, tech reviews. The options are endless. That's easily $300 to $1,000 per month. From just one client. Need a manga-style hero with glowing eyes? Type it, and in seconds, you'll have original, high-res artwork that's commercially usable. Opus Clip lets you take any long-form video, like a podcast, webinar, vlog, or tutorial, and in seconds, it chops it into short, viral-ready clips. From AI-generated coloring books and wall art to digital assets for game designers and authors, the opportunities are limitless. Now, how do people make money with this? Build, publish, rank, earn. If you're running your own channel or offering thumbnail services, this tool gives you an unfair advantage. Let one generate the story or concept, and the other bring it to life visually. You've just created a one-person media company. Simple. Some people are charging clients to repurpose their content. Think of it as Canva on steroids for digital art and design. People are making $5 to $100 plus per day from traffic alone, depending on their niche. Offer AI-assisted content creation for $50 to $200 per post, and let Koala do the heavy lifting. Others are using it for their own social growth. They're grabbing public domain interviews, motivational content, business talks, and turning them into daily viral shorts. They're the ones quietly helping people quit jobs, earn side income, and build online empires in 2025. And you know the best part. Now let's talk about the second AI tool. Koala is not your average AI writing assistant. You'll actually test these tools, build something small, and watch it snowball. And now you know what the smart people know. You give it a title like 10 best budget travel destinations in Asia, and in about 60 seconds people are building full-blown blogs with this. So how's the money made? 1. Affiliate marketing. You write blogs around products, include affiliate links, and every time someone clicks and buys, you earn 10 to 20 posts per week. It's basically a digital real estate play. 2. Ad revenue. Once your site has consistent traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense or premium ad networks like Ezoic or Me. The smartest creators are pairing Koala with a bulk content strategy. And if writing feels like a lot, you can sell this as a service to businesses, bloggers, even YouTubers need well-written posts. Want a futuristic city background? Type it, Now for the third and maybe the most powerful AI tool on this list. It's called Leonardo AI. This AI can generate insanely detailed art, character design, thumbnails, posters, logos, just by typing a few words. No Photoshop, just creative prompting and niche targeting. And this is where the money magic happens. People are selling Leonardo-generated art on platforms like Etsy. One creator made $10,000 plus in under 3 months just selling printables and t-shirt designs. And guess what? No drawing. Others are using Leonardo for YouTube thumbnails and getting crazy click-through rates. Want to go deeper? Combine Leonardo with ChatGPT. So let's wrap it all up. There are thousands of tools out there, but these three: Opus Clip, Koala Writer, Build Blog, Income, fast and cheap. They'll watch this video, feel inspired, and forget it. But a few of you, Leonardo AI, sell art, designs, and thumbnails that convert. Most people won't take action. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to start. AI is your assistant, your leverage. So, which one will you try first? And if this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI secrets, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to break down next. This is your time. Don't sleep on it, because in 2025, those who ignore it will be left behind.